The Rhine Peninsula is a really magical place. I can step foot outside my front door and within minutes be by the sea, or I can walk through a field where I won't see anybody else. We do get visitors here in the summer months, but it's a part of Cornwall which is less busy than other bits of Cornwall. Some people call it the forgotten corner of Cornwall. It's just amazing to be in such a beautiful place. I have a background in fine art textiles, and I was working in schools and museums delivering art-based projects, and I wanted to spend some time on my own practice and develop my own ideas. In 2012, when I started the business, sustainability wasn't the word that it is now. We've all heard of fast fashion, but homeware has the same problem. I think it's really important when we are making products that we're making things that are made to last.
There's a third one, yeah. She walks her cockpit.
I couldn't do what I do on my own, and having a team of wonderful people who support me and help to bring my vision alive is so important, and it's such a pleasure to go to work every day and spend time with these people.
We've got to get light in here because the light's really dark.
Or if I film you like talking through some products, maybe?
From the main head collection, and each one has got a lovely...
Everyone comes to work with creative ideas, enthusiasm and energy for the day and for what they're doing, and that is a really lovely way to work.
No, I think it's just goodness cake. Oh, maybe it is.
After each piece has been cut, it's taken to the print room. Each piece is hand screen printed using water-based inks. Linen is a fabric which requires no pesticides to grow. It can use just rainwater, and every part of the plant is used. There's absolutely no waste with linen. And then it goes back to the studio to be made into the products. Each person involved in the making process is seeing that process from the start of the cut fabric right through to the end of the product.
Hello, do come in.
Having the shop within our studio space is a really great way to introduce customers to our product. being able to open the shop door and say to somebody,
So would you like to come and look at the studio?
Oh, I'd love to.
Yeah.
is a really special part about what we do.
Wow.
To the way we manufacture, to the way we make things, the print process, the cutting process and the sewing process.
Which India has been making.
How do you do the print? Lovely, really lovely.
For me, when someone comes into the shop and buys one of our pieces, they are investing in a local business that supports local employment and the creative industry. Over the years, I have worked with some amazing people. We have worked together as a team to create a beautiful range of products which are sold all over the world and help people live more sustainably.